Hi, this is a pronunciation training. It also helps to get clear about some confusing words. Please repeat the words, it will help you. The first one, receipt and recipe. For example, let's ask for the receipt. My nanny gave me a recipe to make lasagna. Receipt, recipe. This is the best job in the world. I don't work, I create, he told her. Think of the sound her at the end. That's the sound you need without the H to pronounce world and work. Her, world and work. Then you know also that job and work aren't the same things. A road sign, a design, an ID. A road sign, a design, an ID. I've got a salmon on my plate. It's a typical dish of Stockholm, a speciality or specialty. So the meaning is the same, but it's a different pronunciation. Speciality, specialty. And don't confuse with plate, which is an actual object, and a dish, which is a speciality. Look at interesting, interesting, vegetables, vegetables, comfortable, comfortable. So it becomes, it's an interesting combination of vegetables, but I feel comfortable with it. Half, half, hour, hour, aisle, church, aisle. So it becomes Gina is never half an hour late when she walks down the aisle in the church on the Isle of Capri.